So it'll be pretty funny. And I'll be getting a text from him. What'd you guys do? Like, technically he didn't bring his car to Clayson Cars, so I beat him there. So we're just gonna jump Sketchy above the bullet there and put him right where the bullet should be. So we're gonna drop the bullet until he can prove otherwise that his car's faster. So yeah, we're gonna have to just jump him like that.
We got a lot to cover. Car is completely gone, as you can see, but the reason we're here today is because of this. It's time to revive this list. Time to get people moving on this thing. So far, as you guys know, Jay Pratt has #1. That seems to still remain the case. I believe his car's apart, and I don't know if Night Train has beat that time yet, but I'm going to touch base and find out. Flash still in the 8-2 spot, but looking to move up real soon. And then you have me. Well, I'm supposed to be in this spot for some reason. Somebody, probably Sketchy, somebody moved me from 6 to 9.
Above
swap
7.
this one and this one.
Oh, we could just swap bullets and Sketches. We'll do that. That sounds even better. So we're gonna swap. Sorry, Bullet, hope you don't get too mad at me for this.
Anyways, I'm supposed to be in the 6th spot, running an 8.4, and that's actually 8.3 now. 8.3, 169. But then you got Alex, his car's also apart. The speed injection TA is getting ready to make some passes too. Then you would have Sketchy Vid, which should be a #9 over here, running an 8.9. I think he's ran a little faster. I'll have to touch base on that as well. And then Willie Z at the very end here, #10, he has sold his car. So that leaves a spot open. And I was thinking about getting my buddy SGSGWS6 with his 9.3 pass in that spot. However, we have a new contender. So Solomon, I'm sorry, you're gonna have to get to work. We're gonna take Willie Z off since he no longer owns the car. That plate's coming off, and the new contender is gonna be in the #10 spot. And I believe we have all 8-second cars. But there's a twist. We're gonna add some more cars. First thing we're gonna do is get the Firebird back up because I've been charging the battery and it just won't stay charged. So I finally gave in and bought a new battery. So we're gonna start that up for a little bit. I don't think you guys heard. I don't think y'all have heard that thing start up. The last time we did a video on it, the battery was dead again. So that's what we're gonna do today. Get it running for a little bit, get some juices moving, and then from there we're gonna go over the list and make some changes. Yeah, so I've been letting this thing run a little bit here on the outside, but I haven't been able to in a little while because the battery keeps dying and I cannot keep it charged. So we got ourselves a new battery. You can put it all back together and get this thing running for a little bit. Enjoy some stock exhaust tunes. Get to starting. Pump it a little bit. There it is. Woo! Oh yeah, she runs good. You can really hear that exhausting over here. I gotta get on this thing, but it's just hard to make up the time. So we got our Firebird to come down. He's actually running a lot faster than 8.9 now. So I have to take our Sketchy Vid off of #6 there and put him back at #9. He's gonna be #9 because John Doc, even though he's now in the 8s, Sketchy Vid is actually running an 8.7. So there you have it, the list complete once again. John Doc coming in as gatekeeper on an 8-pass. Sketchy Vid, Speed Injection, Alex, yours truly, Flash, Some Lag, Real Freight Train, Night Train, J Pratt sitting at the top spot. I'm gonna check to see if these two have actually swapped yet or not. But for now, this is the way the list is gonna be. A big shout out to my boy John Doc for running that 8 in the boosted rooster, making the list have all 8-second and some 7-second cars. If you know anyone on the list that wants to be, all you gotta do is send me a message, show me a slip, show me a video of you running down the track at a quarter-mile pass, and I'll get you where you belong. Hopefully I can still contend with these guys, even though this is my list. I'm only marked at an A4 right now. However, we've been A3 and we're closing in on Flash. I'm trying to get him before he gets any faster. But I may be running out of time. As you can see, the car's not here. The reason why the car's not here is because having a quarter panel put on it as we speak, that's part one of the rebuild process. I have some parts on the way, which I'm gonna show you here in a little bit what we're doing a little bit different. So one of the changes that I wanna make while we're at it is we have to replace the intercooler anyways on the car because it's broken. So instead of running an intercooler with a fan on it, we are going to mount this intercooler inside the ice tank, and it's always going to be filled with ice and water, and that's going to, I think, dramatically improve our trans temperature. There's still parts that we need to get, one of them being the motor plate, the travel limiters, and also one thing I didn't write on here that we have to make a change on is valve body. Absolutely got to make this change. That's going to change our gear ratio in the transmission and allow us, it's going to be a whole new ball game, but it's going to allow us to hopefully leave quicker without picking the front end up. Those changes, I'm hoping that we're going to be coming out a lot stronger than we were. We're moving along. I'm getting things in place. I have found some parts. That's it for now. Thanks for watching, and I'm gonna get back to work. Right there. Right there.
And you know what?
It was definitely an 8-second pass.
Juan, the Bullet, just posted up on Instagram who does better wheelies. I'm gonna text him that right now, and I'm gonna say, take your post down, Juan. You best take it down because you tempt me like that. Look it, we even scraped up the bumper.
Oh yeah, one last thing. There we go. Interesting.